up there has done us a favour, preventing the sun shining in our eyes. 9 times out of 10 when you come up this coastal lift hill, your eyes are closed, can't see nothing. Sun is just too bright. But here we are, nearly up the top. Some cracking views from up here over on the Tampa skyline. And now, oh, Mrs. H is already saying, I'm not gonna like this, I'm not gonna like this. Oh no! Oh no! Yeah! Woo! Woo! Here we go. Second dive. Straight over this one, no hold. Yeah, baby! As we came over that second dive, something hit me in the face. Thanks for watching this video. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe and check out all the rest of our videos.